Welcome to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. So this morning I was going to eat granola for my breakfast and went to the cupboard and remembered I'd used it nearly all up. So I'm going to make some more, and I thought I'll do a video for you all so that you can join me. So here we go. I have 50 grams of rolled oats, porridge oats. There's nothing added, they're just basic because I'm trying to avoid additives. I'm going to use 100 grams of these nuts. You can have any seeds that you happen to have. I've got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax and chia, so I'm going to use a tablespoon of each of those. Approximately 50 grams of flaked coconut. And I did see about putting some cinnamon in. I've not done that before, but I'm going to try it just to give a little bit of extra flavour. So I'm going to have a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a tablespoon of maple syrup for a little bit of sweetness, but not too much. And we cook it using some coconut oil. So you can adapt this to whatever you want, quantities, but this is just to give you an idea. I have lit the oven on gas mark 1, which is as low as I can get it, and that is 275 Fahrenheit, 140 Celsius, and if you have a fan oven, 120. So the only other thing you need to do at this stage is to line a tin. Into the blender, I have added the 100 grams of mixed nuts and a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and a tablespoon of the sunflower seeds. All of those are optional, just use the seeds that you have. And here we just need to give a little bit of a pulse just to chop them up. In a bowl, we put a tablespoon of the coconut oil. There we go. Now that everything is mixed, place the whole mixture into the tray. Spread it around. Now, let's see if I can do this with one hand. Right. Now, we place in the oven on a low heat. After 15 minutes, take a look and just give it a little bit of a stir. I like mine quite crunchy, so I'm going to give it another 5 minutes. And I think that will probably be done, but it's looking good. So yeah, you just cook it slowly until sort of brownish, to the crunchiness of your liking, really. Anyway, 5 more minutes.